how to fix not receiving phone call issues on iPhone. So if you want to fix not receiving phone calls issues on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have not turned on your airplane mode. If it is turned on, you need to go and turn it off, or just simply turn it on for a few seconds and then again turn it off, and it might fix your problem. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is make sure that you do not have do not disturb mode enabled. So check the do not disturb mode. If it is turned on, then you just need to simply go and turn it off. In my case, I've turned it on just because I'm recording, but if it is turned on, you just need to simply go and turn it off, and this might fix your problem. The next solution is you need to open up your settings. Under your settings, you need to scroll down, go with phone section, tap on apps, and then scroll down, tap on phone. Under your phone, scroll down again, and here you will have an option of call blocking and notification. So you just need to simply go with call blocking or go with blocked contacts, and make sure that the contact has not been blocked. After this, the next solution is to update. So you need to open up your settings. Under settings, you need to just scroll down, go with general. Under general, go with software update, and if you have any updates, you need to go and update it. After updating, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't, then go back under your general, scroll all the way down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, go with reset, and reset all of your network settings, and this might fix your problem. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.